Create an if statement that checks if is checkpoint collision detective active. What if is checkpoint collision detection active is true. So let's have an if here and put it inside the parentheses as our condition. Now we don't need to set it with a strict operator assigned to true, because if we go up here, the is checkpoint collision detection active has already been set explicitly to true. So let's just have this one copy pasted in the condition. And so inside the if statement, add set timeout, okay, and which takes in a callback function. So delayed with 2000 milliseconds. So what it says that you should delay it with 2 seconds. So rather than putting it inside here or inside the callback function, is that we add a comma here and put it here, the 2000, which essentially is the 2 seconds. And then for the callback function rather, it should set the checkpoint screen style and then display. So again, it should set the element, which is the checkpoint screen, and set the display style and its display property assigned to none. So um, again, if we're using the style property, we are actually interacting with the DOM, to what I believe, which is a document object model, and accessing the CSS with JavaScript as we are doing it right now. And I hope we are right, and we are. That would be it. Nice.